Technology and enhancing security in industries. Security has always been a top priority for industries, and advances in technology have played a critical role in enhancing security measures. From biometric identification to artificial intelligence and robotics, new technologies are revolutionizing the way industries approach security. In this article, we will explore the role of technology in enhancing security in industries and the potential impact of these developments on the security industry. Introduction. Security is a critical concern for industries of all types, from manufacturing and transportation to healthcare and financial services. As threats to security continue to evolve and become more sophisticated, industries must also adapt and improve their security measures. Advances in technology are playing an increasingly important role in enhancing security measures, enabling industries to better protect their assets, employees, and customers. History of technology and security. The history of technology and security dates back to the use of locks and keys in ancient times. In the 19th and 20th centuries, the development of new technologies such as cameras, alarms, and access control systems enabled the creation of more sophisticated security measures. In recent years, advances in biometric identification, artificial intelligence, and robotics have taken security to a new level, providing industries with new tools and capabilities to protect their assets. Current state of technology and security. The current state of technology and security is characterized by a wide range of tools and technologies that are available to industries. Some of the key technologies that are currently in use include biometric identification. Biometric identification uses unique physical characteristics such as fingerprints or facial recognition to identify individuals, providing a more secure and reliable form of identification than traditional methods such as passwords or access cards. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, can be used to analyze large amounts of data and identify potential security threats, enabling industries to take proactive measures to prevent security breaches. Robotics. Robotics can be used for a variety of security applications, from surveillance and monitoring to physical security and response. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity measures such as firewalls, encryption, and intrusion detection systems are critical for protecting industries against cyberattacks and data breaches. Future of technology and security. The future of technology and security is promising, with continued advancements in biometric identification, AI, robotics, and cybersecurity. Some of the key areas of focus for future developments include predictive analytics. Predictive analytics can be used to analyze patterns and trends in security data, enabling industries to identify potential security threats before they occur. Quantum cryptography. Quantum cryptography uses the principles of quantum mechanics to create secure communication channels that are resistant to hacking and eavesdropping. Autonomous security systems. Autonomous security systems use AI and robotics to provide real-time monitoring and response, enabling industries to respond to security threats more quickly and effectively. Blockchain technology. Blockchain technology can be used to create secure and transparent systems for storing and sharing sensitive data, providing a more reliable and secure form of data management.